Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be doing up my kitchen. I'm going to be doing up the flooring, and I'm going to be doing up the cupboards. They're very old, greasy, dirty, so I'm going to do from start to finish. I'm going to be changing the colours of these, the worktops, the handles, and maybe the tiles as well, and clean up the windows as they're very, very dirty. And there's a spare cupboard in here as well. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm putting vinyl on the cupboards. This is just a quick video. I have done a lot of vinyl videos in the past in my YouTube channels. Go ahead and look at them. I'm going to put the links down below of how to do it, and I'm going to put the links of where I got my materials from. So yeah. And as you can see, I've taken off everything, the cupboard doors. I'm going to put them on last minute as they are plastic and it can rip easily. I'm going to go ahead and use elbow grease to clean off all the dirt and greasiness, as it was a very, very dirty kitchen. And I'm going to touch the walls up and fill up the walls and put new wallpapers on. right now we're just taking off all the wallpaper, as they are like 3 or 4 layers, and trust me, it was very, very hard. Like, each wall had about 3 or 4 layers. It took at least 2 days to do all of this, and 5 or 6 people as well. I'm going to go and get a damp cloth, and I'm going to put it on the wall to make the wallpaper come off really easily, or you can use a roller, as you can see I'm doing right now, and that just wets the wallpaper and it comes off. It comes off alright, but not like proper easy. And then we're going to go and take off the cupboards so we can put the wallpaper on very nice and neat, because obviously we don't want to just put little ends off and cut them, because in the future when we do decide to change the walls or the cupboards, the wallpapers are in good condition. And as you can see right now, we've done all of the wallpapers, and this is made for kitchen, so it doesn't come off with all the heat and so on. And also you can even wipe it down, and you can get these wallpapers from B&Q, Wilkinson, but make sure they're made for the kitchen, as it's not a normal wallpaper you can put on. So as you can see right now, I'm painting between the tiles, as obviously it's a greasy colour, and I'm just using normal paint. You can go ahead and use whatever you want, but make sure when you do paint it, take off all the excess with a damp cloth. And I'm just using a small makeup brush, because I'm not going to use that makeup brush afterwards, obviously. But yeah, it just makes it look much more cleaner and new again. So I do highly recommend you do that. So we decided to go to IKEA and bought a external fan to take all the heat and stuff out of the kitchen, because obviously there's no external fan on the wall. So we just decided to do that, and as you can see, we're putting them together right now. not least, I have put on the vinyl cupboard toppers, as I did say I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it at the very end because there was a lot of screwdrivers, pins and nails everywhere, so it will damage it. But when you do it, make sure you don't put on hot pans because you could forget that obviously this is plastic. So just put something around the oven or the cooker so you know that there shouldn't be any hot pans on, like some wood or something that you can just put your pan onto there rather than put on the worktop,